After arriving in Yazd and checking into our accommodation, the first thing we did was take a taxi and, following the local suggestion, headed to the Pahanhande house in the traditional Yazd bazaar. Actually, we had chosen another place for breakfast on Google Maps, but since our taxi driver was a bit tired and didn't feel like going there, he said he would take us to a better place where we would be happy with the breakfast, and he brought us to Pahanhande house. It was indeed a very good suggestion, and we had a delicious breakfast there. We ordered adasi, قرمه نیمرو, and omelette. The adasi included cooked lentils and beans, and the قرمه نیمرو is a local breakfast made from fried eggs and diced meat, which was incredibly tasty. The adasi cost about 70,000 tomans, which is approximately $1, and the قرمه نیمرو cost about 150,000 tomans, which is about $2. We enjoyed our breakfast very much. After having breakfast at the Pahanhande house, we went to explore the traditional bazaar of Yazd and saw some of local shops. Then we visited Amir Chahmaq Square and the Jame Mosque of Yazd. Something interesting happened, and we were walking in the ancient mall in Yazd, and suddenly we found a place called Ancient Monument, and we are about to visit there. It sounds really interesting. This underground city used to be a water reservoir, but over the years it has been turned into a restaurant and cafe. Here you can see a cool underground vibe where in the past people would come to relax and fetch water while chatting. After exploring the underground, we went to its cafe and ordered 2 refreshing drinks, which were really delicious and made with a blend of different herbal extracts that made us feel much better. After exploring the underground cafe, we went to the Jame Mosque, also known as the Friday Mosque. It is one of the most significant historical landmarks in Yazd, Iran. It is renowned for its stunning architecture, intricate tile work, and lofty minarets. The mosque dates back to the 12th century, although it has undergone several renovations and expansions over the centuries, reflecting various architectural styles. Inside the mosque, visitors can explore a vast courtyard surrounded by arcades, prayer halls, and chambers adorned with colorful tiles and intricate designs. The mosque also houses a beautiful mihrab indicating the direction of Mecca, as well as a striking dome.